good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a special one. No tutorial request that I got from the comment section. How you guys doing? Hope you guys doing great. I know I am. Hopefully you guys are as well. All right. Today's video is gonna be another tutorial request that we got. Say hello to BAM, just like that. All right. They pretty much asked, how do you draw different sitting positions? So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do today. All right. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to draw different sitting positions and how to break it down very easily. Anyway guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, because if you don't, you will step on a Lego. Alright, I'm talking about the nice cube shaped one. Yeah, those ones hurt the worst. Alright, so if you don't want that, make sure you guys hit that like button. Alright, do that for me. Do me a favor. Yeah. Let's get started. So when you're drawing different sitting poses, okay, there's a very simple way to go about it, okay? What I first do is I draw out the initial body shape, all right, of the character. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna pretty much just draw out this like bow shape, okay? This is gonna be for the body. 2 big circles, just like this on the bottom. After I get that down, I'm going to draw 2 more circles, all right, in the corners that are also together, that are smaller, that are slightly at the bottom of the thing. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come off 2 lines, make a line going straight down, and then make these 2 shapes, all right, just like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw out 2 more diamond shapes, all right, just like so. And this is going to be the basic foundation for your sitting position from the front view. And once you get to this step, okay, what you can do is you can just draw in a line on top of this. This right here is gonna be your head shape, boom. And then you can draw in the arms on this side. I'm gonna draw 2 swooping lines like we learned in the gesture drawing video, okay? And just like that, we have our arms and just you know, just a sitting upright pose. Very simple, very basic. Okay, lighten your drawing, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to go in and start adding the actual anatomy of the character. So you can start drawing in the body like this. You can draw in the chest. All right, now this works for both male and female, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, just like so. And then start drawing in the rest of the figure pretty much, and then pretty much following these lines. And then what you want to do is you want to come up just like right here, and you want to follow this shape of the circle just like that, and then you want to follow the rest of the shape just like so. Then once you get down the initial shape of the character, you pretty much have your sitting position. All right, and you can pretty much add whatever you want to it. You can draw the face details and all the other stuff that you want. Of course, it does sell the fact that you're sitting if you add a surface you're sitting on. So maybe like a fence or a table. I don't know, anything you want to sit on, a chair. All right, something that you're sitting on, just so you can, you know, people can tell that you're sitting on something. And once you get there, you pretty much have your sitting position. And then from here, you can of course add in more details to the figure. Now, if you're drawing a sitting position from the side view, it's going to be a little bit different, because from the side view, what you're going to do is, when I first start off, is I draw out a circle shape. This is going to be the the butt area. Then what you want to do is just draw out a straight line on the bottom of this circle, and then a slanted line, all right, just like so. Connect that with a line, and then draw in more shapes just like so to create the bottom part of the leg, and then this triangular shape for the foot area, okay, just like so. This is gonna be the thigh and the the bottom leg, okay, just like so. So once you get that done, what you want to do is you want to pretty much just draw a curving line upward, okay, just like so. It's gonna be the torso and rib cage area. Drawing the oval shape for the ribs. And then what you want to do is you want to draw in a circle right over here. You can draw in the rest of the body like the neck and the head area. Well, maybe she's sitting on a swing. I don't really know. Something. I'm thinking she's sitting on a swing. Maybe maybe it's just a swing she's sitting on. But yeah, that's pretty much how you want to think about it. And then once you get down the actual body, you pretty much have your sitting position from the side view. And you can of course add in the other leg. You can either have one kicking out. I usually have one leg kicking outward, just like so. People can tell that she doesn't just have one leg, looking like that little that logo. What is it called? The wheelchair logo. You don't want to look like that. And you pretty much have your sitting position from a side view. And now we have the sitting position from the back view. All right, pretty much what I do is I draw in that bow shape again, just like so. I draw a line in between that bow shape, and then I go down, making this a flat surface. And then I go down, and I pretty much just draw in two curving lines, just like so. All right, a line right here, and then I draw in these two lines for this. This is going to be the shoulder blade area. Go upward toward the neck, and then it's going to be the rest of your head position. And you can of course draw in your arm shapes to create the rest of the character. And then once you get that done, you pretty much have your sitting position from the back view. And that's pretty much how it works, right? And of course you can have a surface she's sitting on. I don't really know. It could be a surface or a plane that she's sitting on. Whatever it is. Just as long as you have those basic shapes in mind, you can pretty much draw in any kind of character you want at any time. Let's change her arms a little bit, actually. Pretty much have the entire figure just like so. So now you have the front view, side view, and the back view of your character. And then from here, you can actually start adding all the details so that your character comes to life and not like just, your sketching form. All right, so let's just add some detail and turn these into some actual characters. So right now I'm just going in and adding in all the details. Now, like I said, everything that we just learned was the construction phase, all right? I always suggest when you're learning anything is to break it down into most simple form, okay? You don't want to complicate anything because it's going to be even more difficult to learn how to draw, with that kind of thinking, all right? So what I taught was just pretty much breaking down the posing and breaking down the shapes, okay? Once you have all the shapes down, okay, once you have all the actual form fleshed out, the positions, the poses, and the construction lines, that's when you go in and you start adding all the details like the hair and the clothing and all the other stuff that pretty much makes the character come to life so that it looks like an actual drawing and not like a bunch of just figure sketches. Okay, so that's one thing I always stress. I always break it down first. So yeah, 90% of the time when you see artwork that looks amazing, super colored, super rendered, all that stuff is I like to call that the fun stage. Okay, I call it the fun stage because that's when the actual image comes to life. But people don't really show the actual process too much and how to construct it first. Okay, there's always gonna be a middle stage or like a starting stage where you draw out all the construction, the details, the shapes, all that stuff to build off of that, and then start adding in all the fun stuff like the character, the design, the clothing, the hair. All that stuff is the fun stuff of the drawing process. But once you get past that, that's when you actually start getting an image. But think about it like a building, all right? When people build a building or when anyone builds some kind of structure, they always have a foundation first. They don't just jump right in putting down the bricks and the paint. They build out the structure, the form. They have the poles, the sticks, all that stuff to actually have it hold together, because without a foundation, without a structure, your entire drawing will fall apart. Don't worry about all that stuff. Worry about breaking it down into its most basic form in the beginning stages. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much how I draw my sitting positions. All right, hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully it was easy to understand, and maybe you guys got some pretty good information from this video. Like I said, every time you draw something, the best thing to do doesn't matter what you're drawing, is to always break it down to its most basic form, okay? Find circles, find cylinders, find boxes, and all kinds of everyday things. Sometimes I'll be looking at stuff and I'm like, ooh, I see a cylinder in that shape. Or I see, you know, I look at a tire and I'm like, oh, I see a circular shape that's flattened, all right? Or I look at a window pane, I'm like, oh, that's like a square shape. So always look at all kinds of things and break it down to its most basic form. And then when you put them together, you know, like building blocks, you put the shapes together like building blocks, and then you just start adding the detail. It all comes together and makes the actual image. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share for more. And like I said, if you guys have any tutorial requests, don't be shy to ask. All right, don't be shy to ask. Any advice or any tutorials that I think are going to be pretty helpful, I'll pick your comment and teach you guys in the next tutorial. But anyway, guys, that's enough talking. See you guys next time, and peace out.